WebSockets is a communication protocol that provides full duplex, real-time communication between a client and a server over a single, long-lived connection. Here is a general overview of how WebSockets work. Handshake. The client initiates a WebSocket connection by sending a special HTTP request known as an upgrade request to the server. This request includes a specific header called upgrade with the value WebSocket and a secret socket key header containing a randomly generated value. Server responds. Upon receiving the upgrade request, the server examines the headers to determine if it supports the WebSocket protocol. If the server supports WebSockets, it responds with an upgrade response, indicating a successful handshake. The server includes a secret socket accept header, which is a computed value based on the secret socket key provided by the client. Open connection. Once the handshake is successfully completed, the connection is considered open, and both the client and server can start sending data. Data transfer. With the WebSocket connection established, both the client and server can send messages or data to each other at any time. Messages are sent in binary or text format, and they are encapsulated within WebSocket frames. The frames contain a payload, along with additional control and framing information. Closing the connection. Either the client or the server can initiate the closing of the WebSocket connection by sending a special closing frame. This frame contains a status code and an optional reason for the closure. Upon receiving the closing frame, the other party acknowledges the closure by sending its own closing frame. WebSockets offer several advantages over traditional HTTP-based communication methods, such as bidirectional communication. WebSockets enable real-time, full-duplex communication between the client and server, allowing data to be pushed from both ends without the need for repeated requests. Lower overhead. The WebSocket protocol has less overhead compared to HTTP. Once the connection is established, there is no need to include the HTTP headers with every message, resulting in more efficient data transfer. Real-time updates. WebSockets are well suited for applications that require real-time updates, such as chat applications, collaborative editing tools, and live data streaming. It's important to note that WebSockets require support from both the client, typically a web browser, and the server. Additionally, firewalls and proxies may need to be configured to allow WebSocket traffic.